Clumsy One. The clumsy friend is always having accidents. Helping Joyce with snacks? Look out, Max! Whoa! Are you okay? Not a scratch, don't worry. Phew! Better be more careful, Max. Oh no, Max! You got soda everywhere! My carpet is ruined! How are you so clumsy? The Prankster. Boring day? That's no worry for the Prankster. She can turn any situation fun with just a bit of tape and plastic wrap. That's an interesting book you have there, Max. Mind if I borrow it? Joyce! Get back here! Oh, Max, you've fallen into Joyce's prank. Don't worry, you'll get her next time. A prankster will look for any occasion to play tricks. That chocolate looks so good. Oh, now's my chance. That's Amy's candy. Are you sure you should be eating that, Joyce? She's coming back. Oh, quick thinking, Joyce. But are you sure that's going to work? Oh my gosh, congratulations! Can I listen to the baby's heartbeat? Huh? Candy? Wait, what's going on? Ha ha ha, got you? Better run out there fast, Joyce. The gamer. Nothing like a little time to relax. But with a gamer friend, that can get a little complicated. Max, what is wrong with you? You ruined my painting. I worked hard on it. Max, are you even listening? Max, your food's gonna get cold. Multitasking? Are you sure that's a good idea? That's no fry. Better put the game down and enjoy this meal. The photographer. What better ways to keep memories than by taking pictures? Joyce takes selfies very seriously. Do you always have to take so many selfies? Whoa! Why don't you ever pay attention? Oops, sorry. Better clean this mess up, guys. Come on, Joyce. Will you ever learn your lesson? Help me here. The parent. Studying for the big exam can be hard, especially on an empty stomach. But don't worry, Joyce always has food. Sandwich and fries? Spaghetti? A whole pizza? Now you can eat. How does she do that? Mom friends always have what you need. The Fashionista. The Fashionista always takes forever to get ready. Having a hard time choosing, Max? Take your time. I've been waiting for hours. Should I be bold? Serious? What about wild? Need to get my hair just right. Now Max is finally ready to go. Joyce, why are you sleeping? We have plans. Wake up, it's time to go. It's about time, Max. The broke one. Eating with friends is always fun. For some, it can get troubling when the check comes in. You look nervous, Max. Nothing? Better think of something quick. Aha! Joyce, I don't feel too good. I'm gonna use the restroom really quick. Here we go. Perfect spot. Why is he taking so long? Guess I have no choice. Perfect. I'm good to go. Max, what took you so long? I don't know, my stomach hurt really bad. Max always has an excuse to get him out of pain.